hold on. I want to talk to you. This is awesome. So how long have you been playing this? Here, I want you to come over here.
I've been playing this for like probably a year, almost half now.
For about a year and a half? Okay. Do you take lessons?
No, my friend started playing it, and I decided like this is a tradition. I started playing it too, so I got my own and started.
Yeah, we can't really hear you though. Yeah, speak in here. Come closer. Don't be shy. This is all families. Go ahead. So, have you been taking lessons for this?
No, my friend, he picked up the instrument, and I thought that it was pretty cool, so I decided to buy one myself and started learning it all by myself. I didn't really take any lessons from any professional.
That's good. Okay, so as you know, most of your families are into music, right? Into performance and things like that. So you're actually following the footsteps. Now, do you speak Min?
No.
Not at all?
No, not really.
Not even how to say grandpa? How do you say grandpa? All right. Who is your grandpa?
Wu Feng.
Yeah, say it in here. What's your grandpa's name?
Was Wu Feng?
Close enough. One phone.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, thank you, Kyle. All right.